Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info, and in this video I will show you how to add a debit or credit card to Apple Wallet. So first of all, you have to open the wallet application on your iPhone, and now in the top part you want to tap on plus sign and now select debit or credit card. So now we're going to choose the bank that you're using. And now let's tap continue button. So now we have two options. The first option is to scan the card, which is the fastest way. And the second way is to enter card details manually, which I will use. So on your screen you have to provide your name and also you have to enter your card number. Now let's tap this tick to save it. And now you have to enter your expiry date and also your security code. Let's tap done button. Let's wait a little bit. Now on your screen you can see some terms and conditions. Let's tap agree button. And as you can see, your card is added to your Apple Wallet. Additionally, you need to verify your card. So let's do that. Let's tap continue button. And now in this field, you need to enter the verification code that you will receive to your phone. Now let's tap this tick once again. Wait until your card is verified. And as you can see, my card is now in my Apple Wallet and it is ready to use. So that's how we can add credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. And I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.